How to create a Google Forms survey on Android. This tutorial shows you how to build a questionnaire from scratch in just a few steps. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. After that, go to forms.google.com in the address bar. From there, sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. At this point, it will start creating a new form. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on the title field at the top and type in the name of your survey or questionnaire. From there, tap on the description field below the title and add a brief description of what your form is about. At this stage, tap on the first question field and type in your first question. Following this, tap on the question type dropdown on the right side. You'll see options like multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, dropdown, and more. Select whichever one suits your question. Once done, if you selected multiple choice or checkboxes, tap on Add Option to type in each answer choice. From there, toggle on Required if you want respondents to answer that question before submitting the form. At this stage, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right to add more questions, and repeat the same steps for each one. Following this, once all your questions are added, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select eye icon at the top to preview your form, and make sure everything looks correct. Here's an important note. Tap on the Send button at the top right to share your form. You can copy the link, share it via email, or generate a QR code for people to scan and fill it out. Finally, to view responses, go back to your form and tap on the Responses tab at the top. You'll see all the answers submitted by your respondents in real time. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a Google Form survey, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.